evening. This was the first day for us. Chefs from Hyderabad to Cochin to Chennai are here with us today. I'm sure all of y'all have enjoyed this evening. And y'all have given us lovely memories. Yeah, especially hats off. I'm going to talk about what I felt. Hats off to the desserts. Absolutely fantastic. We wish the Bangalore Culinary Academy all the very best. And whenever you all want it, whatever you want in the culinary front, in the FME front, we are there with you all.
Fantabulous. The word actually I'm using is fantabulous. The person who made the tart, my mouth watering. It's melting like anything. It's so good. And really, thanks to all the guys who worked in the kitchen. And around, I believe there are students. I had a talk with them. I was so happy to meet all the students who are actually, taking so much effort for us and given such a lovely food and made us to put on 1 more kg today. So I'm happy with that. And also the desserts were really flabbergasted. The desserts, my God. When I look at it, normally on food actually the look and then the smell and then the taste. By look itself, the desserts are so good actually. And finally, I had a cup of coffee. That was phenomenal. Very nice actually. And could see that BC has got a right professional students. They will suit the industry very well actually. And I wish and pray God, all the students must train in the industry and go to abroad and make money. And their hard effort, definitely they do that. I want more students to this place. Whatever the best possibility that I could do for you, I'm with you. Always I'm with you. Anytime you call me, I'm there for you. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Thank you.